Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful, well-designed 3,752 square feet, two-story, four-bedroom, three and a half bathroom, single-family home with exceptional character, nestled in the highly desired Russell Heights neighborhood, situated on approximately three-quarter acres of well-fruited land. This house is a hidden gem with loads of potential for a small development. Its features include a spacious kitchen with breakfast nook, open concept living and dining rooms, a large entertainment area, staff quarters, laundry room, air-conditioned bedrooms, ceramic tiles, hardwood and parquet floors, a grand master bedroom suite with lounge area, his and hers walk-in closets, an ensuite bathroom, a double car garage, and electronic gate. Further enhancing the beauty and charm of this home are the well-kept gardens and manicure lawns. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 1 million or Jamaican $153.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.